few films are going too crazy. So every time YouTube has a new YouTuber, a new YouTuber, I mean like people that have no name or just a weird. The first weird one is the life of luxury. It's it it is so scary that even her son can't even grow. He grew up to a big thing, scary thing, and it was so scary that even her child was feeling it stay. So her stuffed animal was a real person. Her brother is just normal every day. He looks like a normal 6-year-old kid, but at night he's like turned into a big guy, a big monster. So turn into a big monster, and it was a certain video. But the second is Doug Walt. I think Walt 85. I don't know this film, but I've seen this film. It's just a nice road with nothing, with nothing. Just a road with nothing. A sign, just bright people that don't look like humans, and and a playground at night. That's the only thing. That's the only thing they have, and it's only a song. So I'm done with this video. Thanks, like and subscribe. Hmm, I'll post other videos again, and I'll see you again. Bye.